out here camping in the mountains. It's so beautiful. When I say we, Ginny Jean and I. Look at her lights. She's all aglow. It's a nice clear night. I got here in good time. I'm still in Maryland, and there are some other Scotty owners here. We'll take a peek at their rigs tomorrow, but I just wanted you to know that I made it safe and sound, had a nice little dinner, and I will see you later. I'm starting my morning with a cup of tea. Before we head over and tour the vintage Scotties, and we have a surprise camper at the end. So stay tuned. This is Kathy and Tom, and Kathy has a Scotty. What year is your Scotty? 67. Yeah. And check out her purple door, guys.
It's our second trip.
Oh, it's so your second trip?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, it's new.
That is nice.
Yeah.
So, how long have you had it?
Well, just when the pandemic started. We just got it just before the pandemic, so it was 2020. Yeah.
3 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Did you paint the door purple?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
My dad did it for me.
Oh, nice. And then you have the screen door.
And of course, I have a little mess going on because I just cooked that. So
oh, look, your light. And I like your hummingbird. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh. And this is my dad. And this folds down for my dad. He sleeps there.
He sleeps there. Oh.
And then we turn these on at night.
Yes.
Chandelier.
Oh, your little chandelier. And it's pink. I love it. You know I love pink or bunny. Nice and comfy.
Yeah.
And you have storage here.
Well,
does yours still have propane? Your camper?
Yes, we have a propane out front. That's what the stove is.
Oh, you do have the original stove.
Yeah.
I didn't see that. Okay.
And we're going to paint the fridge the purple to match.
Really?
Yeah. And then this is an empty space because we took the furnace out. So we're going to put a shelf there that swings out and then close, and then I'll have a little cooking space.
Nice. Oh, so originally yours came with a cot? Or fold down? Okay.
It didn't have a cot. We didn't have the cot, but and it had a cabinet on the wall. And on our first trip, we came and it was on the floor.
Oh wow! No, this is nice. So you painted the stove top?
Yeah.
Purple.
Purple.
Cool.
Yeah.
And you have a hand pump and everything. So that's cool.
And it's named Bunny.
Bunny.
Yeah.
Hi, Bunny. That's so nice.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing. I like your chandelier. That's cool. So this is a gaucho, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah,
very nice.
That bed folds into a sofa.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at this cute 68 Highlander. And we have Gil and Judy.
I'm Judy, that's Gil.
That's right. And they're just going to give us a tour of their trailer.
Go ahead.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
There you go.
All right. Thank you. You still have the blue. Oh, look. You have the top bunk. I have it. Someone can sleep up there, right?
Yeah, if they wanted to.
Yeah.
Or
I haven't
use it for storage, which right now that's what we're doing.
Okay. I haven't been in or seen one of these models in person before, so this is nice. And it's a double bed. And here you have the cabinet.
Comes into a couch.
Oh, okay. And the sink. And you have the water pump. And guess what, guys? They did the work themselves. Ooh. I have that mirror. I like your curtains. Did you make those?
No. I got them from somebody in the group. They got them from somebody else, and he never used them. So he gave them to us. So that's how we got the Coke theme.
And that's a cute pattern on your table.
I did make the table.
Oh, that's nice. Good job, Judy.
I didn't have a table, so.
And then you have this window here. So that gives extra light. I like that. So you still have propane on your camper?
Yeah. We're not using that right now.
Okay. Well, this
That's
is nice.
A long story.
Yeah, this is nice. Today we have Tina and Lucy and this cool Scotty. Tina, tell us about your Scotty. What year is it?
It's 74, and it only had 2 owners before me, and she actually kept it garage, so it was pretty pristine. And then I had it for 1 year outside before I bought a cover, so it got faded pretty quickly. But she's all original inside. She's had some, I think they did some lighting to it, but I haven't had a chance to do anything yet.
Which model is it? Is it a Gaucho?
It's a Gaucho, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
I'm told you know that it's after 73 because of the gold on the bottom.
Okay.
But
So you
yeah,
give
she's
us
just the 13. She's 10 foot 13 with the hitch. That always confuses me. But she's got the drop down table and the bench that folds out, but that doesn't have the bathroom in it though. So she's just a little shorty.
She's short. Well, that's like Jenny Jean. She's that size too.
That's perfect.
Okay,
for
yeah,
one person.
it is.
Yeah.
You have a long mirror. Okay, and your dining area. Oh, you have lots of storage under your bed. That folds into the couch, right?
In the back,
Yes.
it folds into the couch. Yeah, but since it's just me and I don't, I just sleep in here, so I just
Right.
leave it pulled out the whole time.
That makes sense because you do have a separate sitting area.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you have a Jackery. How do you like that?
I love it, and I've got the solar panel from it too.
Cool.
So, like, I'm going camping after this where there's no electricity.
Yes.
So I can put the solar panel out, and it'll charge the whole Jackery for me.
Okay.
In bright sunlight, it only takes a couple hours.
Oh, that's nice. Well, thank you. Oh, you have your tire attached to the front. I have a toolbox, so I wasn't able to get mine attached to the front like that.
Well, my dad just did that the other weekend, and it doesn't quite fit because of the curve. It kind of pushes into it, but
Okay.
we made it work.
You make it work.
We're making it work.
That's good. Mine's is in the back of the truck.
I actually had mine on the top of my truck for this time. I was like, oh, it just looks like I'm going to Australia or something.
And check out these cool lights, like little leaves
Yeah,
on our
it's nice at
canopy.
night. I gotta send my neighbor a picture to tell her how good they look.
Well, thanks for sharing. Here we have Paula, and she has
1969 Scotty Highlander. I'm from Washington, PA, and I bought this camper already done. So
Okay.
you can look inside. Kind of a mess, but that's what it is when you're camping.
Yeah, you have 2 sleeping areas, which is nice. Okay. This is nice. I like the windows up top. Oh, neat. You use like a scarf to make your curtains?
I had bought those bandanas for a class reunion that I had at my house.
Yes.
And I had red, white, and blue, so I just turned them into camper cushions.
Okay.
I thought it turned out pretty nice.
Yeah, they did. Those are nice. You have lots of storage space.
Yeah.
And
That
you can
extension cord is not supposed to be hanging there, but it is.
and you can stand up in yours.
Yes, that's what I like. That's what I like.
It's like big enough. My husband ducks his head to get inside of mine.
Was 6'3", and my son is 6'2", so I wanted something high enough. River, stay down.
Hi, River. How you doing?
I don't know how she did, but she's been really good.
Oh,
It's her first trip.
yes. Well, thank you for sharing. Did you name your camper?
Little Squirt,
Little Squirt.
right here. My mom used to have a CB radio, and her handle on the CB radio was Little Squirt, and we lost her a few years ago. So this is Little Squirt.
Yeah, very nice.
And it says Gypsy on the license plate, but I'm the Gypsy.
Okay. Thank you. And here's our surprise. Look what we have standing in front of us. A beautiful Shasta.
1962.
And this is Mike. And tell us a little bit about your camper.
This camper, I bought it already done. A guy bought it and restored it, decided he didn't like it. He put it on eBay in Warrensburg, New York. We drove all the way up and got it, drove all the way home with it, and had to redo a whole bunch of it because it leaked like a spaghetti strainer. I had to replace all the wood inside. I had to replace all the seals on all the windows. But now it's a perfect camper. We take it when we're long stay somewhere because we got hot water, refrigerator, and the whole deal.
Oh, so, that's awesome.
So,
that's a nice door. Slide. Okay. Oh wow. So what's this?
AM/FM CD.
Okay. You have
look at the carvings in the aluminum.
I see it.
Like the guy was a metal worker, so he had a little bit of artistic flair.
Oh wow. And that's your set with your hooks. That is really something. And your classic rack.
Yeah. The
wood looks really nice too. Did you
cabinets,
refinish that?
The cabinets are original to 1962.
Okay.
I had to redo the wood on the ceiling and stuff because when it leaked, it all got rotten inside. And it didn't turn out perfect, but it's usable.
It looks good. Yeah. And you have the bed is like a full size?
Yeah, it's a full, but it's a futon, but we just never fold it up.
Oh, so. And did you put the trim around the windows, like decoration?
The wallpaper around the windows covers up a little bit of some watermarks from when it leaked.
Oh, you would never know that. Yeah. You have a TV in here and a refrigerator.
Yeah.
You put the panel in?
No, well, they did that with the person I bought it from redid the countertops and stuff.
Oh, okay.
But we're set up with 110 and solar, just like yours. So we can camp off grid and still have water, fan, TV, refrigerator. You know,
that's nice.
The whole deal.
I like that you have a separate seating area so you don't have to break down your bed every time.
This is a bed also.
Right,
so
but you can, I
sleep on that one and she sleeps on this one. So
I thought you just both squares up on this one.
That when we go camping, this is our vacation from each other. So we sleep in two separate beds when we're camping.
That's so funny. Okay.
So.
All right, and of course you have the classic wings here.
Yes.
That's nice. And your
awning. When I bought the camper,
the
guy says you can have the camper, but you can't have the wings. And he kept the wings.
Really?
Yeah. So I had to go online and find a source for them, and I bought a set to put on.
These are nice. Okay, I'm going to do an outside view. Okay.
Okay, so we don't have a rock guard to cover our front window, so I make a vinyl snap-on cover that just snaps into place, and then the same with a splash guard down here to keep the mud off the front of the camper. It just slides in on an awning rail.
Okay, and then your windows are nice too. Okay, cool. Well, thank you for sharing.
Thanks.
Didn't you enjoy those tours? I know I did. Several people saw Jenny Jean around the campsite and stopped by for a visit. I was tickled by one couple I met, Bill and Mary. They saw us on YouTube before and had to stop by and say hi. Well, adventure awaits. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.